Hello, and welcome to this training session. The seventh entry on the navigation panel takes you to Scout documentation and FAQ, which is designed to provide you with comprehensive support and guidance. Notifications at the top of the panel are designed to keep you informed throughout the day. The FAQ tab provides you with quick navigation links that answer common questions about Scout's functionality, integration, and usage. Here, you'll find detailed walkthroughs for various Scout features, from setting up searches to managing candidate profiles. It's worth spending a few minutes with the FAQ tab to become familiar with the system and its features. The Video Tutorials tab takes you to the Scout Training Hub, a comprehensive library that serves as your go-to resource for mastering Scout. Whether you're an HR leader, recruiter, or hiring manager, these step-by-step videos serve as a valuable resource for training new team members or refreshing knowledge on specific functions. You'll learn how to navigate the platform with ease and use its capabilities effectively. And if you encounter problems or have questions, you can quickly find solutions and guidance, thus reducing downtime and increasing productivity. Begin by viewing the Exploring series of videos, starting with number 1, Exploring the Dashboard panel. Each video provides a deep dive into the system. Once you've completed the series, feel free to explore individual topics of your choice. Note that each video can be viewed here, in Scout, or on YouTube. The Video Tutorials tab is continually updated to keep each video fresh with the latest features and updates. And be sure to let us know if you have any special requests. That's it for now. I hope this helps. Happy Scouting!